everyone, imagine building an e-commerce empire, but where do you start? It's simple. After 5. Hello everyone, imagine building an e-commerce empire, but where do you start? It's simple. Ask yourself 5 questions. What is the big idea? Where's the money? Who's your customers? Scope out the competition, and where's the content coming from? So get ready to uncover the secrets to e-commerce success as we explore these 5 game-changing questions.
The first question is, what is the idea? At first, you need to have a vision about what you hope to accomplish and how you hope to accomplish. A vision is a succinct statement of mission, purpose, and direction, which is the key factor in driving the development of your project. For example, the vision of Amazon is to be the most customer-centric company where the customer can find and discover anything they might want to buy online at the lowest possible prices. Facebook said that they want to give people the power to build community and bring the world closer together. Their vision emphasizes the importance of connectivity, community building, and global unity. Envisions a world where people can easily communicate and connect regardless of geographical or cultural barriers. In conclusion, defining the e-commerce idea is a foundational step. Helps you to understand what you're offering, who your target audience is, and how you plan to differentiate yourself in the market. Once you have a clear idea, you can then proceed to develop a strategy, design a platform, and create compelling content that resonates with your audience.
So the second question is, where's the money? While to build an e-commerce presence, you need to develop a preliminary idea of your business and revenue models. A business model is a set of planned activities designed to result in a profit in a marketplace. Some basic business models include online retailer, content provider, transaction broker, market creator, service provider, community provider, and more. And a revenue model describes how a business will earn revenue, generate profits, and produce a superior return on invested capital. Most businesses rely on one or some combination of the following major revenue models: advertising, subscription, transaction fee, sales, and affiliate. For example, The Knot, a leading wedding vendor marketplace, has multiple revenue models. You will find ads, affiliate relationships, and sponsorships from major creators of wedding products and services, including a directory of local wedding planning.
To develop a successful e-commerce presence, it's crucial to answer these 2 questions. Who is your target audience and where you can best reach them? First, how to identify your target audience. You can find your target customer by analyzing some aspects such as demographics, behaviors patterns, consumption habits, digital uses, content preference, then build the buyer personas. Understand the demographics of your target audience is usually the first step. You can look at the above map, which shows some factors that can be analyzed. The information about potential customers may be obvious and specific in some cases, but not for all. A real case in reality is Harley Davidson, a motorcycle brand in the United States. Harley Davidson has a broad demographic range which caters to various ages, incomes, and location. Most of the purchasers are middle-aged men with a modest income. A small group of women who usually ride motorcycles with their men, and a significant group of purchasers are professionals with above average income. So, what ties the customer together is love for the motorcycle, the brand, and the lifestyle associated with touring the highways, of America on a powerful motorcycle. On the other hand, the North, a global technology company that provides content, tools, products, and services for couples. Companies like the Knot target customers aged from 18 to 34 who are at different stages of getting married. They can be the people who are planning weddings, organizing a celebration, navigating pregnancy and parenting. Target customer characteristics include tech-savvy, shop online, use smartphones, and engage with social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Overall, developing detailed description of different people persona is essential for effectively reaching and engaging your target audience in the e-commerce space.
So what is the ballpark? Characterize the marketplace. So the chances of your success will depend greatly on the characteristics of the market you are about to enter, and not just on your entrepreneurial brilliance. The features of the marketplace to focus on include the demographics of the market and how an e-commerce present fits into the market. The structure of the market is described in terms of your direct competitors, suppliers, and substitute products. Study competitors' market share, online presence, and supplier relationships. Evaluate the availability of substitutes for your products or services, and research thoroughly will help you navigate the market landscape and position your venture for success.
So where's the content coming from? The content is crucial for attracting customers and generating revenue through purchases or ads. There will be two main types of content, the static and the dynamic. The static content includes unchanging text and images. There will be the text blocks, for example. They are the paragraphs or the sentences that are informational and remain unchanged across different user sessions, such as the company mission statement, the articles or the legal disclaimers, the logo or the branding. The graphical elements are consistent across all user experiences. For the next example, there will be the headers and footers, which includes the navigation links, copyright notices, and contact information. The next one, it will be table and list. The data sets that are the same for all users are static content like the price list. The embedded media, such as videos or video clips that are not interactive and remain the same for every user. And for the dynamic content that changes regularly, can be user-generated and attracts search engine attention. For example, there would be the personalized messages, which is a greeting that says, "Welcome back," and that will be your name. That changes based on who is logged in. And the next one would be the interactive forms, the forms that change questions or options based on previous answers, the dynamic survey, for example. The next one, the shopping cart, that updates to show items you have selected during your browsing session. And the location-related information is also an example, which displays weather, news, or even language translations based on the user's locations. And the text messaging features in a chat application. Each new message sent or received would be a piece of dynamic content that appears in real time, updating the chat history accordingly.